Everyone, happy Vinayak Chavithi to everyone. In this video, I want to share how we celebrated Vinayak Chavithi this year 2022. This year, Bhadrapada Chavithi came on Tuesday. So let's see how we did Vinayak Chavithi at our home. The Ganapati Asana, we are using the same palavalli from last year, but I applied the turmeric and we have supported the palavalli with the 4 wooden pieces all 4 sides by using the heavy boxes at the bottom. And later we decorated with the artificial flowers and the mango leaves and also some fruits like banana, corn and pears. Used all these artificial flowers to decorate all the 4 sides of the palavalli. We arranged the backdrop with Lord Shiva and Parvati's family with the help of push pins. It gives an additional beauty and it gives a festival look. For the asanam, I decorated this peetham with the turmeric and kumkum, and also I put some rangoli on it so we can keep the kalasham on this peetham. Lord Ganesha was gifted by one of our friends at our neighborhood. I was so happy to color the Lord Ganesha with these oil paintings. Ganapati Bappa favorite prasadam is Modak, so I am preparing it with the jaggery and rice flour. I just added jaggery into the boiling water and later I added the coconut and rice flour, mix it nicely once it becomes thick, and I make the modak with the mold and steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. These modaks are ready. I made another prasadam of undralu with this rice rava. This prasadam we need to dry roast the rava of rice or cream of rice, and then in the ghee we need to add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and then soaked chana dal into here, and then we need to add sufficient amount of water like 1:3 for 1 cup of rice, and we need to add 3 cups of water and add a little bit of salt and mix the rava and mix it nicely and close the lid. And with that solid we need to make the undal in different shapes and steam it for 8 minutes, and after it cool down we need to take it out. Also made vada as a prasadam and also pulihora and payasam. We started our puja by praying Lord Ganesha and also later Sankalpam, Kalasha Puja, Sodachopachara Puja, Adhanga Puja, Adaika Vimsati Puja, Ashtottaram and Vratakatha. Those who did the puja and listen to the story of Vinayaka and put akshata on their heads, they don't have any problems throughout the year. We also keep the books and new clothes near that puja. This is how we celebrated Vinayak Chavithi Puja in the home after kids come from school, and it is a working day for both of us. And in the evening we had the dinner with our friends, distributing the prasadams and eating together.